Breastfeeding is a natural and beautiful way to nourish a baby. It also provides a powerful shield against breast cancer for mothers. Studies worldwide show that breastfeeding lowers the risk of developing this disease. This protection comes from the unique biological changes that happen in a woman's body during lactation. Breastfeeding is more than just a way to feed a baby. It's a health investment for the mother. Understanding how breastfeeding helps prevent breast cancer can empower women to make informed choices for their well-being. By exploring the fascinating link between breastfeeding and breast cancer, we can appreciate the profound impact of this natural process. This essay will delve into the science behind this protection, exploring the hormonal changes, cellular processes, and immune benefits associated with breastfeeding. It will also highlight the importance of breastfeeding duration and exclusivity, supported by compelling evidence from global studies. Finally, it will touch upon the broader health benefits of breastfeeding for both mother and child.
Section 4. Immune Boost. Breastfeeding strengthens defenses. Beyond hormonal and structural changes, breastfeeding also enhances the mother's immune system, providing another layer of protection against breast cancer. Breast milk is a complex fluid packed with antibodies, immune cells, and other protective factors. These components not only benefit the baby, but also strengthen the mother's immune response. During breastfeeding, some of these immune factors are absorbed back into the mother's body, boosting her defenses. For example, breast milk contains high levels of an antibody called IgA, which helps fight off infections. Studies have found that breastfeeding women have higher levels of IgA in their breast tissue, suggesting enhanced immune surveillance against cancer cells. Furthermore, breastfeeding has anti-inflammatory effects, reducing chronic inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for various diseases, including cancer. By calming inflammation, breastfeeding creates an environment that is less conducive to cancer development.
Section 5. Time matters, duration and exclusivity. The protective effect of breastfeeding against breast cancer is dose-dependent, meaning the longer and more exclusively a woman breastfeeds, the greater the benefit. Numerous studies have established a clear correlation between breastfeeding duration and reduced breast cancer risk. Each month of breastfeeding contributes to lowering the risk. The World Health Organization recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of a baby's life, followed by continued breastfeeding alongside appropriate complementary foods for up to 2 years or beyond. Exclusive breastfeeding, meaning the baby receives only breast milk and no other liquids or solids, is particularly beneficial. This is because introducing other foods or formula can interfere with the hormonal and physiological changes that protect against breast cancer. Section 6. Global evidence studies confirm the link. The link between breastfeeding and reduced breast cancer risk is not just a hypothesis, it's supported by a wealth of evidence from around the world. Large-scale studies involving hundreds of thousands of women have consistently shown that breastfeeding is associated with a lower incidence of breast cancer. A landmark study by the World Health Organization analyzed data from 47 studies conducted in 30 countries. The findings were striking. Women who breastfed for any duration had a 26% lower risk of developing breast cancer compared to women who never breastfed. The risk reduction was even greater for women who breastfed for longer durations. These findings have been replicated in numerous other studies, solidifying the link between breastfeeding and breast cancer prevention. The evidence is clear. Breastfeeding is a powerful tool in the fight against this disease.